Guys, it's Anonymous Cuber here. So, I'm back. Time to talk with some facts about it. So, for me, I said that sub. You still remember I said I talked about sub, all these kinds of sub, and then subs are not really that hard to tell. Well, you can also search online. What are subs? Yeah. So, what I'm here to tell you is some facts of what I had in mind. So, when we make the right cross, I know this is so simple. We could actually do the bottom first, and then just do the top. But me, I can also do this. That makes it easier. But what I do think it's easier is just to do this bottom like that, since you're just gonna be switching two of these things to here. Okay, next is try as much as possible not to move these pairs. So you know how to do that, right? Just like this. As possible, you can also try anything, like in case there's one pair and one pair here, just like this. But since I did something, so I can't do it. So third is to just finish the F2L as fast as possible. You just need more training to do it. I know this is what everyone says, training. But try as much as possible to go as fast as possible. Okay, then you can also use some of your own ideas. Trust me, there's some permutations I just found it myself. Okay, so I'll try to get to it for you guys. Okay, so here is one of my own permutations. You know this problem, right? So me will just okay, and that's it. See? So I know this is very long, but it's actually easy for me. So here's my other one I can show you. I think it's good for OH is this permutation. This, but me, I will use this method. But that is this fish, but then do this. You can also do anything here. You can also use this, but I actually recommend for myself doing this method, because to me, I have been training with this thing. Actually, it also works on it, almost anything. But seriously, I'm not the left-hander cuber. So okay, after that, just continue solving. Okay, just hope you enjoyed this video, and also give a thumbs up. Please subscribe.